Commissioner, Kifire, Dr. Bendang Lal Dongkumar, Additional Director, Department of Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Tinurenla Anichari, Deputy CMO, Kifire, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, it gives us great pleasure to extend to you all a very warm welcome on behalf of the Chief Medical Officer, Kifire, and Family Planning Association of India under the aegis of the Department of Health and Family Welfare, Nagaland Health Mission, Nagaland, Kohima. World Population Day is an annual event observed on July 11th every year, which seeks to raise awareness on global population issues.
We pray that you will bless each one of us to open our heart and mind to be receptive as well as to listen and to further expand our understanding into a new territory, Lord. As we celebrate this World Population Day, Lord, may your blessing be upon each one of us. May your Spirit lead us. May your continuous blessing be upon each one of us. We want to commit once again all our life, our entire program into a loving care. In Jesus' most precious name we pray. Amen.
Welcome to each and every one of you on behalf of the Medical Department, Kifire District, and along with the Family Planning Association of India. Today we are celebrating and we are observing this World Population Day, and this is actually with a directive from the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. And this is the celebration that we are doing, observation that we are doing in order to carry forward the government's effort to stabilize the population of this country. So I thank you and I welcome each and every one of you.
We have sustainable development goals, and so to address issues like no more family planning, but it has to do with family management, and about gender equality, no poverty, no hunger, quality education, good health and well-being, including the reproductive, maternal, neonatal, child health and adolescence, clean water, sanitation, decent work and economic growth, human rights. So when we talk about survival, it's not simply about survival, but it is of quality survival. So all these issues, so here it's very important for all of us here to realize and act on a healthier life, and to understand the importance of having a manageable family. So this year India is observing World Population Day under the theme Start a Meaningful Tomorrow with Family Planning. Starting today, that is 11th of July till 24th of this month, we are observing this fortnight in all the districts, even in the remotest area. So during this fortnight, you will get services like counseling, how to ensure proper spacing between two children, or why it is not very advisable to go for early marriage, why it is good to have a smaller manageable family, and the services like our deputy CMO, she has already said it. In addition to that, if somebody wants to go for injectable contraceptives, that is also available. And at last, I appeal to each and everyone here to support for the successful implementation of this fortnight. Thank you.
NGOs play a very crucial role in developing society, improving communities, and promoting citizen participation. Family planning is not only confined to birth control and using contraceptives. It is important as whole for the improvement of families' economic condition and for better health of the mother and children. It helps mother and children to stay healthy and risky pregnancy are avoided. According to statistics India has more than 50% of its population below the age of 25. Sexuality-related issues are very necessary to get solved among youth, especially between 15 to 19 years of age. NGOs have a vital role to influence their health and consequently their overall well-being. These young people need to educate with comprehensive sexuality education and empowered to make informed choices about their sexual and reproductive health. Henceforth, enhances their education, reduces adolescent pregnancies, and slows the growth of population. In a widened role, NGOs can organize and conduct public awareness programs on the importance of family planning and benefits of contraceptives method, further educate and empower the people on reproductive health and rights, maternal and child health, gender equality, adolescence pregnancy, reproductive tract infections, and sexually transmitted infections, including HIV. NGOs can also organize activities such as workshops, seminars, lectures, debates, competitions, street plays, rally, and many more to promote access to sexual reproductive health information and services related to family planning. It is very important that family planning method is widely available and easily accessible in every hospitals and through trained community health workers like ASHA workers. Therefore, I would like to appeal different existing NGOs like tribal hobos, civil bodies, and any other voluntary organization to partner with the government in promoting family planning services. In conclusion, I would like to encourage you all with a quote. If you are planning for a year, sow rice. If you are planning for a decade, plant trees. If you are planning for a lifetime, educate people. Thank you.
USLB on behalf of Amiloko Kotakualigishe, I'm Bishi Kushbashi, and program Konbra Banashi, program Rakan Bishi Kushbashi, and especially Mantok Pagina Man, Assistant Director Agina Yati, Function Day, Tenkuri Manloko, smiling face day, speech day. We are very happy, and we all the NGO cooperate to you. Abang drum no so fully cooperation to aro kikuri chawala se amon ekumotum na in our cooperations with you blame to request. Beyond this program, I just want to say one point. Igarni amagi fitisik manukan idia most backward district declare green ase tadi amang sob manu itu Gifted district Shanti Punawala, Sundur Punawala, Pul Ulai Bole, among so mano, partner Kuritaji Bole, and me highly to request grace. Bohimade, Chief Secretary Leble, among Director Kankiman Topase, among Gifted District Development Garden. It is among Garanese. Among dog buying a long journey, Aginaman Logo, Samjatia, Putigena, Jagrana Purina, Palki Purubole to me to request grace. Madlab. Develop kuri ahan de itu elor naide. Government ki lagi tadi develop kobol itu decision lolish. Lastly, among NGO to specific act itu strong decision lolish. Medical and education will not be compromised. Especially medical and education, itu to compromise na. Ekdam phagi hoba lagi click to decision leadership.
Amikan ite jaigena immunization. It to be aspirational district laga eta dangor indicator ta ase. Immunization to be fail hoise hole itu aspirational district to achieve na hobo. Itu orne ami itu privilege logene itu alok khobor janai dibole mon. Amikan jani ase immunization ko to Holebi problem eta amikan dangor face kure ase amikan medical department BC bostite bacha BC ahagene vaccine to lo ase Holebi public leaders khan church leaders khan eta request kuribole montu komba bostite etebi ahegena etu vaccine nalobo ko bishi ase to ami khan la duty ase etu kobole jodi etu family vaccine lo nai etu bacha vaccine lo nai kole ami khan ifile 99% coverage dilebi 1% para aru bimar tu pura community te lagai dibo itu arne ebar appeal kuribole mon ase ami khan jaige na itu mission Indradanas 3 bar rang kurise bacha khan ke aru pregnant mother khan ke vaccine marigene 3 bar 3 moina chulise to itu pichete intensified mission Indradanas kogena aku 3 moina chulise to itu pichete bi ekdom balpara coverage dibo kogena special intensified mission Indradanas kogena jamoina 27 te ami khan khotom kurise to itu 9 months before te ami khan la performance to pura 100% coverage to dise holebi kile itu aku district pura coverage dibo pare nai kole government of India para khali 41 village choose kurise to itie ami khan jaigena mission Indradanas extended Gram Swaraj Abhiyan kogena itu moina 16 para chuli bola ase to morom para ami ko nisana jodi apun la government apun la community te komba family bacha khan ke vaccine na dibo ko thakile morom para itu khobor ko dibole jana di ase itu oporde girja tv morom para pastor khan religious leaders khan itu koine janai dibi koigene ami ekta request kure ase department la sai para ami khan itu dangor program eta ahi ase October moina te itu measles and rubella vaccination measles and rubella vaccination itu chuli bola ase October moina te itu garne ami khan Kifrep district 9 months to below 15 years itu khan la hack kang kurigena ite pura record to government of India logote disi ite itu naturally agete ko nisana ami khan hack count census jatu komba bacha komba family itu resistant family ase tv vaccine na lobo ko bishi ase ami bosti la naam tu na kobo holebi etu judi etu resistance family to ami khan sai phelebi kure ase holebi apun khan la sai phelebi modot na diele etu program kitebi success na hobo government of India to la measles and rubella free India by 2020 itu government la target ase de to itu majote measles bimari koto apun khan pura jani ase apun la bacha khan apun la neighbors la bacha khan kiman jon measles ulagene komba tu kopal be hone morisi itu bi bon kurule eta ase rubella koto bi eta bimari ase itu bi measles insana kitaba ras hobo hole itu la problem to le meant into mental retardation दिमाग भी दूसरा निशाना ना पहुंची जाबो गाँव भी दूसरा बच्चा निशाना ना पहुंची जाबो और इतु ओपोर्ट है आमाता प्रेग्नेंट हो गए ना से तो प्रेग्नेंट हो गए ना इतु रूबेला बीमार हो सोले बच्चा मिसकैरेज हो जाबो एबॉर्शन हो जाबो इतु ओपोर्ट है जन्म दिले भी बच्चा ठीक ठाक ना होबो इतु ला बीमार लगा से इतु भी सिद्ध डांगर प्रोग्राम आसे October te ahi bola itu arne ami advance apun khan ke ko ase kom platform te holebi social gathering hobi religious phele hobi ki hole women's health group self help group hobi women's la church la fellowship hobi morom para itu khobor tu janai dibi apun la member khan ke aru vaccine tu lobole itu request kuri ase itu vaccine tu ole যাইকেনে 9 months to below 15 years কানকি দিব আৰু এইটো ভ্যাকচিনটো হলে আমি খান ফ্ৰী para গভর্নমেন্ট para দি আছে আৰু this is going to be the first time government para এইটো ভ্যাকচিনটো ইন্ট্রোডিউস কৰি আছে আপুনি কাম প্ৰাইভেট লব কলে বেছি দাম আছে হলে গভর্নমেন্ট para ফ্ৰী para দিবলৈ আছে এইটো আৰণে এইটো ফেসিলিটি টু এভেল কৰিবলৈ আমি আপুনি কানকে ৰিকুৱেষ্ট কৰি আছে থ্যাংক ইউ
Storms have come and darkened my sight. After all that I've been through, what can I turn to? I look to you. I look to you. After all my strength is gone, in you I can be strong. I look to you. I look to you. And when mountains are low, in you I can be strong. To lose my breath, there's no more fighting that. Sinking to rising more, searching for that open door. And every road that I've taken led to my regret. And I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Nothing to do but leave my head. I look to you. I look to you. After all my strength is gone, in you I can be strong. I look to you. I look to you. And when mountains are gone, in you I hear a song. I look to you. My lips are broken. My walls have come tumbling down on me. All the rain is falling, defeat is cold. I need you to set me free. Take me far away from the battle. I need you, shine on me. I look to you. I look to you. After all my strength is gone, in you I can be strong. I look to you. I look to you. And when melodies are gone, in you I hear a song to you. Thank you.
আজি কোন কোন ইয়াতে আইছে সব কানকে পয়লা সালাম জানা দিয়েছে Today department took a very good decision to celebrate this program. One of the most remote district not in the state even in the country and the most inaccessible district in the country. People here, the public here, the civil societies and NGOs, village council and GBs, they never get a chance to expose to, even to the Kohima and Dimapur and many parts of our country. So, but I can say, Government of India has taken the right decision, they choose the right district. Although we as a team, we couldn't able to live up to the expectation of the people because of various reasons. So one thing I can say, the health department took a good decision. Please continue, please support this district, and you, if possible, we look forward for more programs in the coming days. So thank you so much on behalf of this district and citizens of the Kifri. See, last year 2017, in the month of November, India government bara 117 district are select korise, most backward district. Yate हमारा लगा किफरे लगा पोजीशन एकदम सबसे नीचे ते 5th पोजीशन असे नीचे पर साइले 5th पोजीशन. Coming back to the health services in our district or the health facility, the physical infrastructure, it is not insufficient. It's below the minimum level. Means even in our district there are villages which is not having sub-center. एक तो sub-center भी न तक का village can be आवश्यक. Aro, so even our district hospital, if we go back to the poor issues, there is no gynecologist, there is no pediatrician, there is no X-ray facility, there is no ultrasound. If I go and continue like this, there is no end. I don't know why this district is like this. It's now aspiration district. I request the whole team. I am sure the Health and Family Welfare Department, they are trying their level best, but this needs to be taken up in a war footing manner, in a very urgent manner. To coming back to the World Population Day, Hodai Salte July 11. Manugan ke awareness dibole July 11 te amagan World Population Day celebrate koribo. AD 2018 ase diya. AD 1800 te 1 billion takise means 100 crore. Sorry, 100 crore takise means 1 billion. Tatebra itu jaile 1987 te 500 crore, 5 billion. Big population explosion. Etia 1987 te 500 crore, etia 2080 te 740 crore, means 7 billion. 2030, as per the estimation, 2030 amagan India enaga jaile, coming back to India, we will cross the China and India will become the world most populous country. 2018 laga world population laga itu laga theme itu ase family planning is a human right. Itu saal laga theme itu ase family planning is a human right. Last year laga theme ki ase investing teenage girl. Idu ki ase? Only we coming back to our Kifre issue. Iate population day amagan celebrate Korea time te amike ekta duita kopula monase. Number 1, the message I want to tell today is very simple. Without upgrading and strengthening the physical infrastructure of a district, only awareness will not do. We need to upgrade and strengthen the public health facility at the village level, at the block level, at the subdivision level, at the district level. That itself is missing here. The program officer DPO highlighted a very important point. District, see Indradhanush, Mission Indradhanush. This is an immunization program. Immunization is also directly or indirectly related to this World Health Population Day or the family planning. Because many of the time when we heard this family planning, amagan ki to confusion thakibo. Only be, this is basically the quality of the man. Quality thakibo lage. Ami gobo. Iyate janam ekta child. Itu dusra European country, Switzerland oile be, dusra oile be, Sweden oile be, Scandinavian countries, those tate ekdam balpara social indicator upar taise. Tate janam bacha, he is going to get all sorts of facility. Go to the Middle East country, completely free. All the health facilities completely free. Qatar oilebi, Oman oilebi, Q oilebi, Jailebi, Scandinavian, Norway, Sweden, Switzerland, any USA, anywhere. Oilebi, Amal, see, we have only one life. Aru replace koribole time nahi. Yate bisi poa manoga natia 50 par hoise. Bisi salbi yate boibole nahi. So, amal laga bachagan kun ayase. We need to give a quality life. He should not become a disabled person. Disabled means kanu suku laga nahi, internal nutrition nahi. Teacher class Korea time te 5 minutes te memory takibo ito pichita jayas. Aru to ki karante Mendel retardation is a problem ki karante ayase. Karan itu ase the main reason amagan jaile. Amagan laga, education laga problem, literacy laga problem, taigan ke awareness dibole problem ne, awareness nahi, usorte sub center bhi nahi, usorte facility bhi nahi. So what we need to understand today, this is not about enforcing any rigid rules to the people, rather than providing basic and the important facilities. Like I'll tell you, immunization koribole amagan ke sub center bhi kamti ase, nurse kan bhi kamti ase. Enaga laga situation te we need to provide proper facilities at the grassroots level. Our children and our mothers will be going to be a victim in this journey. That should not happen, because I love Nagas, and Nagas should exist in this world, because it's a unique people in this world. They have a great tradition and they have a great culture. So that's why, because of our mistake, a generation should not face any trouble. So Ame aji yate special guest namte aise olivi world population laga namte bhi kiba kobo lage karante olop to teacher nisna kota korise. So sorry olivi amagan world population day yate ania manugan ke sob arubi tangi koi ase aru aji yate kun ayase apni gan sob milage ne, because sabi kali idu maiki ga laga ami ekta ro paise next meeting te pura takibo laga kale. This is very related to our women empowerment. Until unless we are not going to empower them, our society will not going to be strengthened. So that's why, for your information, district administration is trying its level best within our limited facilities, our USLB, YTC, ESH, everybody, सब गान मिलाइगने, वार्ड चेयरमैन, GB गान, सब मिलाइगने एतिया एक तब peaceful conducive atmosphere भी याते बनाई से, church गान लगा पूरा support पाई ऐसे, underground गान भी पर्यटक तय गान लगा support दिया से, एनका अमागान भी बाल परा जाए ऐसे, इतु करते अमाला district, we let us all today envision a better Kifre, a prosperous Kifre, a place you see, we have a very big hospital, a lot of doctors, less patients, lot of equipments, and anything happen within 5 minutes, the door, all facilities in front of you. You let our children become tomorrow's leaders of the world. Let them become the good, bureaucrat, politicians, social engineer, scientist, pilot, and let them lead the world. And let Kifre will be a role model to the other district and the Nagaland and other parts of the country. Let this place be a better place to live to all of us. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Thank you.